There are various problems in the inspection of manufacturing. Man-hours for inspection, training of workers, conditions of workplace to be inspected, and so on. The FLIR system is an inspection system that can solve all these problems. First, let us briefly explain the principle of measurement. The FLIR system is a camera-based non-contact scanner. The CCD cameras on the system instantly scan millions of surface features of the object by capturing the stripe patterns irradiated from the projector. Since the measurement points are required as homogeneous data, it is possible to scan objects with complex shapes such as castings and resin-molded parts. In addition, since the entire shape can be measured at once, it is easier to grasp the localized deformations and uneven shapes that are difficult to find with conventional contact measuring. Now, let's take a look at a video of measuring with a FLIR. As the video showed, anyone can easily and quickly measure and inspect, and the man-hours for product inspection can be significantly reduced. It will no longer need to spend so much time on the training of inspectors and worried about the shortage of inspectors. In addition to the conventional dimensional inspection, it is also possible to check the trend of overall shape with the color map. By comparing with the CAD model and master data, it is possible not only to find the defective part at an early stage, but also to grasp the tendency, which makes it easier to consider the countermeasures. In addition, by directly comparing with the design data, it is possible to eliminate conventional inspections using jigs. The FLIR system is highly portable and can be brought to the site for measurement. So it can be used for inspection of molds and other objects that are large and difficult to transport. No one wants rework after installation in the production line. Although the evaluation of freeform surfaces is difficult to inspect with a conventional contact type, it can be seen at a glance with a FLIR. So it is possible to quickly detect shape defects caused by the blade release and electrode wear during the machining. It is also easy to make a copy mold by measuring the finished mold at the prototype stage and creating CAD data from the scanned data. This makes it possible to significantly reduce the man-hours required to make copy molds for maintenance purposes and the launch of the same product at overseas factories. In the inspection process, you may use jigs depending on the shape, material, and the purpose of the object to be measured. If there is any problem, repairing it can be a daunting task. The FLIR system can be also used for jig acceptance inspections and daily management inspections. By attaching a special device to the system, you can grasp the state of the reference part, such as a pin, to be inspected in real time. It results in smooth inspection and jig adjustment. This is an image video that simulates a jig adjustment. The plate of the ball joint structure is adjusted to the proper position. The operator can make adjustments while viewing the amount of error displayed on the screen. The measurement data can be used to quantify the events that were previously invisible or difficult to grasp. For example, by virtually assembling the measured mold data on the software, it is possible to check the clearance and identify the location of defects, such as bars in advance. Preventing occurrence of bars in advance can lead to reduced material loss and man-hours required to remove bars. Also, high-precision data can be used to display distortions and unevenness of the product and color maps and numerical values, making it possible to quantify the sensory evaluation that has been performed so far. This eliminates a variation among inspectors and facilitates quality control. The flare system has a color projection function, which allows the measurement results to be projected directly onto the object. So the abnormal location and amount obtained from the inspection are accurately informed to the operator. They will be able to deal with the defect more easily. Here are 3 features of the flare system. The first one is that there is no need to attach target markers to the workpiece. Measurement can be done without a hassle of a prior setup. You can see this point in the first video. The second one is ability to detect even the smallest defects by faithfully reproducing the fine shapes. Third, the measurement system and software can be customized to meet the customer's objectives, from the trial stage of prototypes to mass production quality control. For any questions or further information on the flare system, please contact us.